Hi, good evening, subs. Welcome back. Well, I had a few requests to do this. Some of those requests, I wrote them down, was Sasha La Vampira specifically requested me to do Wingstop habanero wings, and that's just what I'm going to do. Along with Kim Nicole has also asked me to do video on wings, so that's them. And let me see. I got my soda full. I got some Kleenex. This isn't for me to wipe my fingers or anything. This is in case I start crying. And I went with the instead of fries, I went with a little bit more of a healthier choice with the celery sticks and carrot sticks with ranch for the dipping. Now I'm gonna eat probably the first couple of wings without any sauce, without any of the dipping ranch sauce. After that, I'll probably start to eat it with the ranch, just because I like my wings with the ranch. But that way I get the full flavor of just how hot these things are. So, and I got a new stand, so I want to go ahead and test that out with this video. So, oh, also, this is probably going to be a little bit more of a messier mukbang video because I don't know just how hot these are, and it's going to get all over my fingers. My nose might run a little bit, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and by the way, I got an 8-piece. Whew. Ooh, you can smell them. Look at that. Well, let's get started. It's good. The heat's definitely coming on. They're actually really good and really hot, burning my lips. There's another one. So yeah, this one's kind of like a challenge accepted video. I will like to do, keep it fun. I'll do some occasional challenges on my channel, whether it be eating something spicy. Whew, spice is definitely coming on. Or, I don't know, maybe eating something like a large burger or maybe like a sandwich. I know there's a sandwich in my hometown called a Grusa's, which has a 16-inch sandwich. So, it's, I don't know, pretty big. And I want to go ahead and try that. So, if you guys want to see me try that, go ahead and write in the comments below. But for now, I'll be eating these with you guys. I love carrots dipped in ranch. celery stick. Sorry guys, I'll try and keep this as neat and clean as possible. That's usually my style. Number 3. You know, and to clarify with you guys, it's actually a mango habanero. So it's kind of sweet, and then it definitely has its spice. I would recommend this if you guys do like the hot sauce. You know, if you guys aren't, you know, fraidy cats when it comes to spicy foods. But if you don't, or you can't handle things that are too hot, then I would probably recommend getting something else. Whew, things are really burning my lips. Try it in the ranch. But like I said, the flavor is really good. I would actually order these again. Sorry guys, trying to stay as clean as possible here. Tastes really good in the ranch. Wow, that heat just doesn't stop. And to be honest with you, I'm actually really happy I went with the celery and carrot sticks as opposed to the fries. Something a little bit different, you know. Fries are good and everything, but I wanted a healthy alternative choice, so. Looks like I ordered this extra ranch for nothing. I thought I was going to use it, but I'm not even done with the first one that they gave me. Which I had to pay $1 for this. I mean, it's kind of expensive for ranch if you ask me. Sorry guys, I told you this was going to be a little bit more of a messier mukbang, but that was for you guys who have been requesting the burps. I'm trying to please all my foodie fanatics. Anyways, guys, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. This is the first time I've ever tried... What's up on my face? It's the first time I've ever tried Wingstop. Usually I eat at a place called Wings and Things or Buffalo Wild Wings. I've never tried Wingstop. Wingstop's pretty good. The flavor of this, the habanero, the mango habanero, is really good too. I would probably rate it maybe a 10, because I like it. I'm not going to lie. I really do like it. The heat is really good. It's got that little hint of sweetness from the mango. Really good. I would order it again. That's the last one. Very good. Anyways, guys, I'm still a little bit full from that earlier meal. So this concludes this video. Hit that like and subscribe button. And I hope to see you on the next video, next meal. Alright, stay tuned, you vicarious eaters, you.